He is here. Right here in this room, in your heart. He is near, nearer than breath, heartbeat, nearer than you are to you, closer than second chance or next opportunity, closer than tonight or yesterday. He is real, realer than touch, see, hear, smell, or taste, realer than reality. He is our reality, realer than joy, pain, sorrow, or the love of being in love. He is present like space, wind, time, silence, night. He is waiting like creation, like words on the tip of tongue, like songs that have yet to be sung. He is beauty in oranges, blues, every hue, every shade, sunset and sunrise. Whisper his name. He is holy, cannot be touched, explained, like sweet seconds of prayer, like grandmother on knees, wood floor bare. He is old hymns, the extending of limbs, stretched across trees, stripes to heal disease. He is Son, distinctly three, distinctly one, the only wise, the only resurrector of lives. He is King, and no earthly throne can house, no amount of elegant words can espouse. He is moment and voice, power of choice, in word and deed, in fruit and seed, nailed hands, nailed feet, innocent wounds that bleed. He is believed, he is all, he is called and purpose. Everything that we can sacrifice, he is worth it and more, much more. Our good deeds are mere pennies, we'll never even the score. He is behold and wow. He is who, what, when, why, how. He's the one who puts on the show. He's the one that we come to see. He is soul's cry and sinners' plea. He is the epitome that no one can light a candle to or come within a 1,000,000-foot pole of. He is above. He is a Father's love, maker of ways, of earth and wind, ancient of days, has no fear, have no fear, God.